Hello, welcome back, 4th class students. Today we will learn grammar part. Nouns, common, proper, collective. Common noun. We use common nouns commonly like mountain, rivers, clouds, dogs, cats. For common nouns, we can write in small letters. No need of writing capital letters. Next one, proper nouns. What are called proper nouns? The names of specific people, places and things are called proper nouns. Proper nouns always begin with capital letters. For example, Indore, Bombay, Delhi, Mount Everest, Himalaya mountain and so on. Next one, collective nouns. A collective noun is a word used for groups of people. For example, gang of thieves, range of mountains, herd of cattle, etc. Okay students, now worksheet J. Work in pairs. Match the clues with the common nouns. A stretch of flat land. Flat land, what is flat land? Plain. The topmost point of a mountain. The topmost point of a mountain is peak. Water that falls from the sky. What falls from the sky? Rain. Something you lay on the floor in a room. Room में क्या बिछाते? Carpet. A person you play with and like being with. What is that? Friend. Now, exercise number K. Complete the sentences with the correct collective nouns from the box. Very simple only. The band of young musicians played for 3 hours. A swarm of bees has made its home in a tree in our backyard. A herd of cattle is grazing in the field. There are 4 people in my family. Next one, we saw a pride of lions in the national park. A crowd gathered around the magician. Now next one, exercise number L. Work in pairs. Match the collective nouns in box A to box V. This is also collective nouns. See, flock. A flock of sheep. A sheep का group को how we can say? A flock of sheep. A flock of birds. Second one, bunch. A bunch of bananas. A bunch of grapes. Third, team. A team of horses. A team of players. Herd. A herd of cattle. A herd of sheep. For example, flock. A flock of sheep. And we can say a herd of sheep also. Pack. A pack of cards. A pack of lies. 6th one, basket. A basket of apples. A basket of fruits. This is mainly a group of things we use collective nouns here. It's very simple only, you have to learn. This is the grammar part. Now let us start a poem. What is the name of the poem? The Caterpillar Story. What do you mean by caterpillar? Illi or Kida. So underneath the cabbages, the caterpillar sat. What happened? Cabbage. What do you mean by cabbage? पत्ता गोभी. पत्ता गोभी का अंडर में क्या था? एक छोटा सा इल्ली था. Drowsing in the sunshine, it thought of this and that. It led a rather lazy life. Just lying there in style. What happened? Drowsing in the sunshine. In the sunshine, the caterpillar is sleeping. तो what happened? The इल्ली हमेशा सोते रहते. क्यों? वो छोटे हैं. छोटा इल्ली हमेशा सोते रहते, वो एक्टिव नहीं रहते. It thought of this and that. Let a rather lazy life, always lazy, because it cannot do any work. That also is there. Just lying there in style. The caterpillar stay in style, like comfortably, very nicely, properly it sleep. When hungry, it just nibbled at the cabbage for a while. When the इल्ली को भूख लगते तो क्या करते? वो कैबेज का पत्ता काट के खाता है. Once again I read this line. Underneath the cabbages, the caterpillar sat, drowsing in the sunshine. It thought of this and that. It led a rather lazy life, just lying there in style. When hungry, it just nibbled at the cabbage for a while. What is the next stage? Now caterpillar have to change. Now both in हो गया, इल्ली को change करना पड़ेगा. And one day, very soon, it started working steadily. वो काम करने लगी. To weave a tight cocoon. उसने खुद ही एक cocoon बनाया. What's the meaning of cocoon? Silk covering made by caterpillar. Silk covering करके एक cocoon बनाया. To stay, इसका cocoon का अंदर रहते. ये caterpillar, where it is say, it is sleep in the inside the cocoon. See, now caterpillar have to change. Now one day, very soon, it started working steadily. It wave a tight cocoon. इसने एक cocoon बनाया. उसका अंदर है अभी caterpillar. Within this cozy shell it stayed. ये cozy shell का अंदर रहते थे. As days and nights went by, ऐसा दिन रात निकल गया. Then suddenly a spilt appeared. Out came a butterfly. Under that cocoon, what came out? A butterfly. What do you mean by butterfly? Titili. What do you mean by butterfly? Titili. So butterfly came from the cocoon. Who made the cocoon? The caterpillar only made the cocoon. Now the last paragraph. No longer was it lazy. Now it is not at all lazy. Now it had a pair of wings. The butterfly got two wings. Wings mean punk. It danced upon the roses and on many other things. It started dancing near the flowers, on the roses, and it always dances very nicely. A lovely little butterfly. This butterfly is very nice, it's looking very good. What are the colors of butterfly? Black, white, red, yellow. In different colors we can see butterfly. Filtering. What is the meaning of filtering? Moving quickly from place to place. Flittering in the sunshine. In the sunshine used to flitter here and there quickly till it was time for bed. Up to the time of bird, butterfly go here and there. That is the end of the poem. Now let us watch a video.
Underneath the cabbages, the caterpillar sat. Drowsing in the sunshine, it thought of this and that. It led a rather lazy life, just lying there in style. When hungry, it just nibbled at the cabbage for a while. Now caterpillars have to change, and one day very soon, it started working steadily to weave a tight cocoon. Within this cozy shell it stayed, as days and nights went by. Then suddenly a split appeared. Out came a butterfly. No longer was it lazy, now it had a pair of wings. It danced upon the roses and on many other things. A lovely little butterfly of black and white and red, flitting in the sunshine till it was time for bed.
Like the video? Yes or no? It's a very simple poem. You can learn. You students have to read many times and learn it. What are the new words? See, drowsing, dull and sleepy. In style, relaxed and comfortable. Cocoon, silky covering made by caterpillar. Spilt, low crack or tear. Filtering, moving quickly from one place to another. This is a poem. 8 lines you have to learn by heart, and I'll send the question answer on PDF. Okay students, bye.